Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about substitution. So I will put about u equal to first derivative of y. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, and you will have about du over ds, and we have second derivative. So this one we change by u, this one we change by this one. Now u square plus 1 we put on the right. So this one we put on the left, ds we put on the right. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one we have all tan of u. This one, the integration of ds, you got about s and we put about c. Now we put tan for the both sides. This one we have u. About u, that's about this one. Now dy, we change this one into dy over ds. Now we put the s on here. Now we can put the integration for the both sides. We know that tan we can change into sine of negative s plus c over cosine of negative s plus c. So the integration of this one, the integration of dy, you got about y. The integration of this one in here, we will have about ln of the absolute value of negative s, and I will put about c number 1, that's about the constant number 1. And we have cosine in here. And I will put about c number 2, that's about the constant number 2. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.